Good morning, traders. Welcome back. So I'm looking at our scanner right here on the bottom left, and I'm not really too excited about any one of these. It's a Thursday, and it's March 9th. And, today we don't have any big macro drops, which is refreshing. So let's see if that plays any sort of role today. I'm kind of hoping that we'll get a little bit cleaner action in terms of more focus on one ticker and that we can actually end up trading. Like I said, at the moment, I'm not too interested in any one of these tickers. We would need to move back above VWAP, and then I'd be a little bit more eager beaver. But for now, I'm just gonna kind of wait and see for something to pop up. The focus for today is really patience, aggression, size, one of my favorite kind of mottos. Yesterday, I let too many opportunities slip, or I missed them by a few cents, and then I tried to trade worse setups, which often got me in trouble. We had, SVRE, for example, where, yeah, this ticker, I mean, it was a bit of a disaster the way I, kind of manhandled this ticker, trying to force setups that weren't there. Here's a flag pattern that I was really trying to get aggressive on, even though it was pretty extended. And yeah, I'd kind of always put myself in a bad position. I got one breakout good trade on SVRE, but I just did small size and took profits very quickly, which I don't mind the taking profits quickly part. But the small size, I definitely missed on opportunity. I was right on the ticker though at the time, and then this pullback didn't really work. And what else? UNCY? No, I think EDBL. I traded just very briefly. Right in this area, although technically, it was crawling higher, and I, for some reason, didn't really get aggressive on a lot of these moves. We had a really nice breakout right here, 14%, good little 90-MA pullback that I traded. Yeah. Let's go to March. Wow, it's been a really bad March for me. Oh my God, absolutely horrendous. I have been keeping my red days small, but I really think that the second I get green, I need to probably just go ahead and take my profits and walk away. FRTX, another example of a ticker that, yeah, unfortunately did not pan out the way I wanted. I missed this front side. I was a little bit too conservative. I kept missing my entries literally by a few cents and all these pullbacks. And the one that I did get actually didn't work out. And then I kept on trying to trade the continuation here. Luckily, I took my profits quickly and I walked away, I think green on FRTX. But yeah, I didn't get enough opportunities to get back fully in the green on the day. So we have UNCY still moving, and I'm not going to lie, I was not expecting it to keep moving like it did. 216 is its high, so I just want to mark that out. Holding its high as well, and it's up again from that last pullback, 60%. Let's see if we can do a little bit of accumulation. Not accumulation, but see if we can get a pullback entry. I just, this volume is a little bit light, and there's a lot of resistance above, but at the moment, it is the ticker that everyone's looking at, so maybe we can get some entries on this one before it's too late. All right, still watching. It's a lot of sellers, so I'm going to be very close, very calm to accumulate on this one. Up 1,000 shares as an entry. I like that 9 EMA pullback. Nice, good little bounce. Very small size. Nice, small profit, but super worth it. I'm looking for a little bit of a bear trap and a pop. Let's see if we can get something. I want to start accumulating. I don't want to miss the move for no reason. So if I can get a little bit more aggressive entry, I'm super keen on that. That's what I'm looking for. So what we could even do is reduce share size and just start trying to jump in on this one as soon as possible. Missed some of my fill, but I try to get really aggressive there. Let's see, it's still crawling up. Let's see if we can get that move over to 06 and so on. There was a bit of that bull trap that we were waiting for. Looking for that last little pop here. And LTX is moving, sub dollar though, but it's back above VWAP. Let's see it. Nice, good pop so far. Oh wow, it held. Let's get back in. Otherwise I'm stopping out at 207. Wow, it held so well just now. Oh. But it pulled right back again. Short-lived pop. I probably closed a little bit too soon there. Got a little bit nervous that I was going to flush right back down. Let's see what happens. The 5 minutes is a little bit extended, making me a bit nervous. That was so bullish just now, but then it instantly died out again. It's tough. But hey, I was able to get away another 50, 60 bucks, so that's the important part. OCEA making a little splash here. This ticker we've traded in the past. Maybe we'll get a little rally on this one. A lot of resistance that it's pushing through right now, so definitely worth keeping an eye on. I mean, over 6 is this ticker's definitely in play a bit. I'm usually not so wild about these tickers that are just barely over. Sometimes they do have great continuation, but I don't find them super easy to trade in that regard. Market cap does have some catalyst coming out here, so that's good. So I just had the realization. Yesterday we came out with we filmed a new insider trading podcast, and we had Danny, who's a mentor at Warrior Trading, on, and he was saying, when you're on a red streak, specifically like I'm on the one on, sometimes you just want to have a green day and put some space between you and the red. And I asked him, when do I wrap up? When I'm slightly green, or like I made my 5% target? And he's like, it doesn't matter, basically whatever what feels right. And somehow today I can try to keep squeezing out some profits on OCEA, which I probably could, but I think if I just lose on it, I think I would just get so frustrated. So I'm going to practice discipline. I'm going to practice just getting back green. I've been on the longest red streak of my entire life. It's been about 4 months long, which is no joke. You can see in February, it's not like a red streak. I'm basically at break even after 4 months, but it feels like absolute misery. And yeah, I mean, look at like 9 red trades in days in a row, 2 smaller green days, then more red days. So I think I need to, even though it's going to be my smallest green day pretty much in the last 3 months, I think I just need to go ahead and call it here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll see you guys then tomorrow morning. Stay safe, or like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, guys.